Hey world! Well, today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube Revenge. This is the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Now, if you haven't seen my 3x3 tutorial, or if you don't know how to do the 3x3, check out my 3x3 tutorial. You will be wanting to know how to do that before the 4x4 or the 5x5, the Rubik's Cube Professor. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so here we have the Rubik's Cube Revenge. Now, this has more turning faces than the 3x3. So the same thing would be front, which is involved by a big capital F, right, capital R, left, capital L, top, which is the capital U for up face. Now we have these inner faces and the double faces. So if anything is followed by a star, that means turn both faces. So if it was capital R, I, star, so it'd be right inverted star. So it'd be this, because you're moving both faces. Now if I only want you to move an inner face, it's going to be represented by a small letter. So for the right, it'd be little r, and you'd move the middle face. For L, move the inner face. For front, it'd be a little f, and you'd turn that face. For up, you'd turn that face. For down, you turn that face. Alright, so now that you know all the faces, let's scramble it.
Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. 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 That boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yo.
Alright, so now we have our mixed up cube. So the first thing you do in order to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube is you have to get all of the centers. Now, with the centers, you also have to get them in the right order. So, say you've got white face here. You look at your 3x3 because this has no set centers. This does. So if your white was there, you could have any color but yellow here. So say you wanted blue here. This side would have to be red. This side would have to be orange. This side would have to be green. And then obviously yellow. So if you just memorize where the colors are supposed to be, you'll get it much easier. Alright, now setting this aside, I'm going to get my white face first. So I've got one in this bottom corner, bottom right. And this one is in the top left. So I'm just going to turn this so it's in the bottom left, turn it up. So I've got these 2x2s. That's what you're trying to create, is all these